up here in the Tuscan region. And I'm sorry, in the Veneto, circling Veneto and saying Tuscany. So we're gonna highlight that for you in a minute. So if you see here, let me back up one. So you see this green, all of this green, that is the Veneto. And then you see this area down here in purple near Verona, and that is the region, the broad region of Valpolicella. And within this region, there are 4 regions that use the term Valpolicella. So starting with the DOC, and that's the entire region basically. Okay, then we narrow it down. There's a region of Ripasso, there's a region of Amarone, there's a region of Recioto. So let's take a look at that. And they're all within that purple splotch. So there are 4 wine appellations, and it's hard, I think, as Americans, for those of us who are American on the call, it's hard for us to think of these as 4 regions, not just 4 wines. And they are very, very different styles. So, but they are 4 wine appellations. Notice they all have the little DOC or DOCG after them. That tells you we're talking about regions. So Valpolicella, DOC, broad area, so has regulations, just not as tight of regulations as DOCG. And this is going to be a lighter bodied wine, and it comes from that broad area. Now the Valpolicella Ripasso DOC, and I'm going to go into production in a minute, but I just want to help you wrap your arms around this, is a little bit more intense wine coming from a specific area within the Valpolicella DOC. And this is and they have different winemaking regulations for this wine. And then you have at the bottom on the left, you have the Amarone della Valpolicella. That's an Amarone wine from Valpolicella DOCG. Again, very small region, full-bodied wines, specific wine production method. And then on the right, you have Recioto della Valpolicella DOCG. And this is what we call a straw wine or a sweet style wine, a dessert wine, if you will. So I want you to kind of keep this slide in your brain because I think this will help you. You can also kind of look at this slide. What I like about this is, and I just got this from the DOC Valpolicella, the consortio online, easy to find. But you can see even the colors that they put in the glasses, more intense color. And you're going to start to understand why as we go through the winemaking process.